Well, hey everybody, this is the 24th of July 2012. Here's another trade on Euro US dollar using the market maker method. Monday was pretty much a no trade day for me. No really clear direction. Market kind of accumulated, gone up, gone down. There's nothing, no really profit release. Run there, 90 pips. So wasn't even any resistance blocks for trying to map out 45 pip move, so that was kind of going to go on. I'm not going to try and force a trade, so I just left it alone until I was clearer setup. So I kind of left at the end of the day with this kind of line drawn there, seeing where we'd go, because I noticed the market had kind of moved up, American session and going into the Asian session, so it had popped up above there. So when I woke up in the morning, I'd seen the market moved up above it. We'd gone back into accumulation. We'd also had this jump bar, the market maker activity as well, and then gone back into accumulation. So that was in my mind as to maybe we could, what's in the box. It could be sales here, but not too sure. So not 100% sure yet. So I wanted to see how it was going to play out once the European session opened up. So this is 7:15, so 7:30 minutes of market maker activity. So if we're thinking along the lines of three phases: market maker, accumulation, manipulation, profit release. From a third to accumulation, could this be manipulation to the downside? That was what was in my head at that time. If I get a signal, I could jump bar up or something, maybe I could get long and get a 90 pip move up. So the next bar fired sort of small jump bar really. Now that I look at it again, it wasn't really particularly the best jump bar at all, but it didn't really take out the beliefs of 2 or 3. It just took out that one. Mistake on my part probably, but I entered long anyway. But already in my brain, once I kind of was in the trade and it sort of gone the right way, I was thinking, there's something not right here. Somewhat, that sense of knowing wasn't quite there. So automatically, I was then saying, well, why am I in a trade if I don't really fully understand? I have that feeling that it should be going, up. So I thought, right, okay. So I started bringing my stops up, and the next bar was this one. And when I seen it was all the way up here, I'd kind of brought it to break even, and I got taken out for break even. I wasn't happy with it. So I was happy to be out at that point anyway. So I kind of continued on running down. Then after that, walked into resistance, which incidentally was like the 60-minute high volume from the previous day, around about 98 level. So I was thinking, well, maybe it might come off there, get better action off it there. Certainly thought about that too. But then I started to really kind of look at this area up here and ask myself, what's in this box? What's in these boxes? This possible stop take up here, and then that jump bar. Well, I really, this could be sales in here, and maybe I've got this wrong, and it is actually going to go down. So with that in mind, I was kind of just keeping my eye out for a good entry to kind of get in on a short move. I missed a couple. I was at a meet. When I did get in, it was a little bit later on. Started to mess around with resistance. It was, bit feed back up, resistance again, doing more down. A lot of action around there. Kind of almost waiting to that 2:15 time again. Some American market decides to open up. So, and it was after here. Let's move back up. We should get a jump bar down, and that was when I decided that it was time to pull the trigger. I think I had the story right. I got filled at 95. I think that bar closed at 93. Just my broker must have allowed me to get at 95, just the way it was. So 90 pip tool on gives us a downside target. I think we see that a moment. Downside target's 58 for me, which is a few pips off the 90 pip. Lower target. So a little bit of fading out, jump bar down, and then away we go, and it takes my target out. I think I got filled, and that wasn't that bar, because that was low 57 again. My broker lane got as low as 60 or whatever it was. So it was that bar that got me out anyway. So, and that was it. I was a bit late, I guess, the party today. I think if you are trading, if you're in Australia, New Zealand, you might have seen this and maybe taken it on from there. If you'd noticed that stop me up, you would have got a few more pips. But hey ho, plus pips is always good. And it's pretty much gone back into accumulation. I think, yeah, it's gone back into. So we start the whole story again, and we'll look out for another trade tomorrow or Wednesday or whenever one comes along. That's it, guys. Good luck.